welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, so I'm not going to be doing like it's not so much a haul, but I'm just going to be doing a review of some of my favorite items. And I think I'm just going to cover nothing but handbags in this video. And then if you guys want to keep seeing more of these, then you guys already know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. A lot of these bags that I'm going to show you guys are my favorites. A lot of them get a lot of use from me. They're like my bags that are the most worn, and then there's like a few extras in there. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting first with this vanity case bag. A lot of people really love this bag, and I do too. I use this to travel with. I have two of them, okay? One sits on the shelf for decoration or for like light use. The other one, I actually use it to put my makeup in when I'm traveling. So love this. It comes with a shoulder strap, but I have no idea what I did with this. And then this one, I'm a little disappointed that the color is not picking up as it should be, but this is the classic flap. Love her down. But the only tricky thing with this bag, and the reason why I barely wear it, is that you have to be careful what you wear it with, because you know you don't want the dye from like wearing denim to transfer on it. And then this little one here is, I think this is the fortune cookie bag. Very cute and very small. And then moving right along to this little number, I just love the gold detail at the bottom of it there. It does come with a shoulder strap too that I'll show you guys, but this is the bag that you carry when you don't really need to carry anything. Maybe just like a wallet and some lip gloss, and that's it. Same thing with this one. It's small, it's cute. It has this very different type of like beaded handle on it. Meant to be worn as a crossbody, but you also could just carry it handheld as well. This is probably one of my more unique little items that I have. And then this one is a complete classic. This one also comes with a shoulder strap too. This one is a little different too. Now, I can't say that I'm in love with this purchase. There's something about it that I like, and then there's something about it that, I don't know, it's just maybe just okay, but I like the size of it and the shape of it. It comes with a shoulder strap as well as like the little mini key pouch, which you can totally take that and put it on any of your other bags from this brand. And then these right here are a classic, but I bet you haven't seen this one. I have it in like this little Sherpa material. I love this bag with a passion. I've only worn it like twice. This is definitely like more of a wintertime bag for me, so I can't wait to bring this one back out. And then this one has low-key become like an everyday bag for me. I love the tortoiseshell handle on it. I love the color of it. It goes with quite a bit of things. It also comes with a shoulder strap. I'm not really into wearing bags with their shoulder straps, so a lot of times I just carry them handheld. And then when I, again, don't need to really carry much, I reach for this lovely little beauty. So yeah, those are all my bags that I have to show you guys so far.